Remember when costumes used to cost like $30 or even $10 for children? Children's costumes nowadays are $60 and adults costumes go up to $130 probably. That's insane, guys. What's up, YouTube? So today's video is going to be another DIY costume video, except this time these costumes are with your best friend or your sister or your cousin. Anybody that you want to dress up with, these costumes are for you guys. For every costume in this video, I literally pulled out all the clothes from my closet and just added the accessories necessary for each costume. It was so easy to put together. And I also would like to give a shout out to my best friend Vanessa. Thank you so much for helping me with this video. And another shout out to my boyfriend because he was our camera guy and he did such an amazing job filming us, and he had a lot of patience with us as well. So thank you guys, I appreciate you. Now let's get into the video.
Thing 1 and Thing 2. From this box will emerge Thing 2 and Thing 1, and they can find anything under the sun.
Sunny day, sweeping up clouds away. On my way to where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street?
Touch me, trust me, you disgust me, try to shove me in your daddy's money, but on my own. I got some things that I do, but on my own. I'll show you how you turn my insides out. Get the hell away from me, it's an emergency. Turn me black and blue. Get the hell away from me. All of my friends are free. I gotta break away from you. Oh, 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 oh. Always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream? When I come home at night, I bolt the door real tight. People call me on the phone, I'm trying to avoid But can the people on TV see me, or am I just paranoid? When I'm in the shower, I'm afraid to wash my hair.
So that was my 5 DIY best friend Halloween costumes. See, I told you guys, it was so easy to put those together. You're welcome. You guys are so welcome. Just gave you a costume for this year, next year, the year after that, and the year after that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and give this video a thumbs up. Comment if you want to, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.